Hello everyone, and welcome to day 7 of solving LeetCode problems until I'm hired by a FAANG company. Today we're going to be solving 1550, 3 consecutive odds. Okay, thankfully we have an easy problem here. So given an integer array R, return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array. Otherwise, return false. So example 1, okay, we have input array 2, 6, 4, and 1. Output false because there are no 3 consecutive odds, definitely. In this one, we do have 5, 7, and 23, right? So in that case, we would return true. I think this is a very straightforward approach, right, in which we would have a simple count. This count variable could be equal to 0, and once it reaches 3, that means that we can successfully return true, and we can simply just start iterating through array. So if we have an odd number, we could add 1 to count, and once we have an even number, we can make count back to 0, right? Then we have here 34, 3, it would become 1 again, so 4 would become 0, 5 would become 1, 7 would increment 1, 23 we would increment once again, and that would basically be it. So I believe we can easily do this. I'm sure we just need our count variable here. Start iterating through array. And well, here we're going to check. So if num mod 2 is different than 0, or just to make it a little cleaner, we could say not. We're going to add count plus equal 1, and then we could also check. So if count is greater or equal than 3, it should always be 3, but just in case, we're simply here going to return true, and else return false. I really believe that should be it right there. Oh, well, of course, this is not going to work because we still need the other case where count here is going to be equal to 0, right? So now, once we run it, I believe that maybe this could actually help us a little bit. So if this is different than 0, then it's probably going to be a little clearer. Yeah, I was just assuming here some Python semantics. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case here. So let's just go ahead and submit this real quick. Okay, and there it is. That solution beats around 50%. And yeah, I'm not going to lie, this was extremely easy.